Hey everyone, I am Zubia and I want to share a little but heart-wrenching story. My wife doesn't work. Conversation between a husband and a psychologist. What do you do for a living, Mr. Bandy? I work as an accountant in a bank. Your wife? She doesn't work. She's only a housewife. Who makes breakfast for your family in the morning? My wife, but she doesn't work. At what time does your wife wake up for making breakfast? She wake up at around 5 a.m. because she cleans the house first before making breakfast. How do your kids go to school? My wife takes them to school because she doesn't work. After taking your kids to school, what does she do? She goes to the market, then goes back home for cooking and laundry. She doesn't work. In the evening, after you go back home from office, what do you do? Take a rest because I'm tired due to all day's work. What does your wife do then? She prepare meals serving our kids, preparing meal for me and cleaning the dishes, cleaning the house, taking kids bath. Whom do you think work more from the story above? A daily routine of your wife's comments from early morning to late night and you call that doesn't work? Yes, being housewives do not need certificates of study, even high position, but their role or part is very important. Appreciate your wives because their sacrifices are uncountable. This should be a reminder and reflection for all of us to understand and appreciate each other's roles. All about a woman, a very heart-touching message by a woman. Someone asked her, "Are you a working woman or a housewife?" She replied, "Yes, I am a full-time working housewife. I work 24 hours a day. I am a mom. I am a wife. I am a daughter. I am a daughter-in-law. I am an alarm clock. I am a cook. I am a maid. I am a teacher. I am a waiter. I am a nanny. I'm a nurse. I'm a handyman. I'm security officer. I'm counselor. I'm a comforter. I didn't get holidays. I don't get sick leaves. I don't get day off. I work through day and night. I'm on call all hours and get paid with a sentence. What do you do all day?" Dedicated to all women. Woman has the most unique character like salt. Her presence is never remembered, but her absence make all things tasteless. Pass it to all lovely women. Your mother, your wife, your daughter, your sister, and your friend. Share to every woman to make her smile, to every man to make him realize woman's worth. Jazakallah.